Alright guys, today we have here a brand new tablet from Honor. It's called the Pad 20 Pro Paperlike Edition, and that's because it's featuring Honor's first ever matte display. It comes powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. It's got a 10,100 mAh battery. It comes with a full set, keyboard case together with a pencil, and the best part is that this entire thing retails for under 2,500 ringgit. What's even better is that if you are a student, you also have a 15% student discount that puts it under RM2150. So, just this intro alone, you can see that this is going to be a pretty impressive tablet, but Honor has been really kicking it when it comes to putting out good tablets these days. So let's jump into the video and find out a little bit more about what this Honor Pad 20 Pro can actually do. Now, first things first, let's take a quick look at the design. The design itself isn't too much to shout about, pretty ordinary, but it's actually fairly slim, lightweight enough for you to use one-handed or without much stress onto your hands. And the best part is that the display itself comes with these pretty symmetrical bezels that are not so slim, so you can actually hold it comfortably without any accidental touches. Now, if you look closely, on the sides it might look like you have a couple of speakers here, but there's actually 6 built in. And like I said, the battery 10,100 mAh into this fairly slim form factor. So overall, I think we're off to a good start. Now, moving on to the main star of the show, we are going to talk a bit about that display at the front. Now, like I said earlier, it's called the Paperlike display, and it's very similar to a certain brand's display in terms of the name. But essentially what you're getting here is a very nice matte surface that actually reduces glare, especially if you are sitting beside a light source or maybe there's just lights above on your ceiling that's turned on. It reduces all those glare. Other than just reducing the glare, it's also great because it just makes gliding on it extra smooth, and it's just a very pleasant browsing experience when you're using the Honor Pad 20 Pro. Now, in terms of the size itself, this is a 12.1-inch unit, so it's not extremely big, but it's not small as well. It's got a 3K resolution, so it's going to be great for watching stuff like Netflix, YouTube. Netflix specifically is great to watch on this device, especially if you pair that together with that 6-speaker setup, and it refreshes at up to 165 Hz, obviously only on supported situations. So just in terms of the display, I think this is going to be the main selling factor, because other than just being so much more easier on your eyes, but it also comes with many eye protection features. Now, moving on, let's talk a little bit about the performance. So as I said in the beginning, this is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, and being powered by any Snapdragon 8 series chipset, you're going to expect some proper performance on here, and that's exactly what you get on the Honor Pad 20 Pro. Now, when you use a tablet, there's a couple of things that you might use, such as watching shows and movies, multitasking, split screen, apps side by side and all that, and everything just flies on this Honor Pad 20 Pro because of that chipset. Furthermore, if we actually jump into PC mode, this actually takes things to the next level. Once you actually activate PC mode, the entire UI changes. Over here, you have a couple of instant layouts that you can use. Maybe have 4 apps on the screen at once, maybe have 3 applications depending on your use case. Or if you want to use it like how you use your own computer, you can open those windows individually, and the device itself will support up to 15 windows open at one single time. Now again, all this is very smoothly done thanks to the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 paired together with that 8GB of RAM. Although it doesn't sound like a lot of RAM, but it's actually still very usable on a tablet like this. Now, since we are talking about the use cases, another really useful app that I found in here is actually the revamped Honor Notes app. Now, other than just using the pencil like how you would usually take notes, draw stuff, make annotations and all that, which by the way, the response of the pencil is very good because it's almost one-to-one like how you're using a typical pencil. But the Honor Notes app now also comes with these AI memos. Now, what this does is basically help you to record any kind of conversation. It can be your own lecture, it can be a panel discussion, and it actually be able to identify different kinds of speakers, and at the end of it, come up with an AI summary. So just in case you miss certain parts, or maybe you weren't even listening to the conversation in the first place, you can always use AI to summarize it for you, create mind maps, and then export it and share it, or just use it for your further revision. So I think it's actually very useful. The Honor Notes app is actually doing a great job on here. Now, moving on, if you are not using the Honor Notes app, there's also the built-in PC-Level WPS. Now, I've said this app a lot of times now, so I'm just going to go through it quickly. Basically, the PC-Level WPS is something similar to what you get on your computer, which is your Microsoft Office. You can use stuff like your documents, Excel, create PowerPoints, and also edit PDFs. It's the full suite, so you can actually have a lot of features and functions on the app itself in the WPS app. And again, this is all built in and free to use. Of course, if you want to use WPS AI, then you will have to add on that additional subscription fee. Moving on, another feature worth highlighting is how the Honor Pad 20 Pro is designed to work and collaborate with other devices. Now, what I mean by that is, say for example, you're using an iPhone. You can also drag and drop files across, not just to iOS devices, but to other Android devices as well. So at the end of the day, the Honor Pad 20 Pro here is actually a pretty compelling device, especially if you consider what you're getting for just under 2,500 ringgit. Not only do you get the main highlight of the device, which is the Paperlike display, you also get the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, you get the full setup with this keyboard case together with the pencil. You do not have a trackpad on this case, but you can actually connect a Bluetooth mouse very easily, don't worry about that. And you're also getting a pretty strong battery life, the 10,100 mAh together with the PC mode on board. So if you are a student, a business professional, or just someone who needs a new tablet today, the Honor Pad 20 Pro is definitely something you might want to check out. Oh, by the way, there's also the standard Honor Pad 20, the non-Pro version, and that retails for under 2,000 ringgit. The specs to that is different. I'll put in the link down below to that device so you can find out more about it. Anyway, if you have any further questions about this device, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Hopefully this video has helped you out in a way or another as well. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.